Good day everyone, seeing a solid yellow or amber light on your Verizon router. So this is the common and most common indicator that your router has power, but it can't find the internet. And today I'm walking you through step-by-step process to move from that yellow no connection status back to steady white lights. And the first thing to try is the cold boot. So just unplug your router from the power outlet, and this is the important part, unplug the ONT. That is the white fiber box, and then wait for full 60 seconds. And this clears the temporary cache and forces your router to request a fresh IP address from Verizon's network. Plug the ONT back in first, wait 2 minutes, and then plug your router. And if the light stays yellow, it's likely a cable issue. So just check the Ethernet cable connecting your ONT to the router's WAN port. And also this year, many no internet errors are caused by cables that have come slightly loose or have been damaged. Unplug both ends, listen to the click when you snap them back in, and ensure you aren't accidentally plugged into a LAN port. And before you start resetting your settings, check if the problem is on the Verizon's end. So you just open the app on your phone using your cellular data. The app features an AI diagnostic tool that can tell you instantly if there's a local service disruption or maintenance in your neighborhood. So if there's an outage, no amount of rebooting will fix yellow lights. You just have to wait for their technicians to finish the repair. And as a last resort, you can perform a factory reset. Find the small pinhole on the back of your router and use a paperclip to press and hold it for 15 seconds while the power is on. And this is how you get your Fios connection back online. If these steps fixed your yellow lights, don't forget to subscribe.